I can't believe he stays in there. And he doesn't want to get out.
So fun.
You are too comfortable. That is just awesome. Thank you. Oh my God, you got a little pouch there too. Oh, and they stay in the basket and he never jumps out?
Yeah, she'll stay in there.
That's crazy! Oh my God, you are so adorable and you like it? You're okay with that? He's got no choice. That's awesome. See you later. Oh my God, I have to take a picture of your dog. Hi, Doggie. You are so, I've never seen anything like that before. That is awesome. Boy, that's great. He follows you like that. You gotta train him. Did you train him to do that? You guys traveling and on vacation and bringing your doggies?
Yes.
Oh, what an awesome vacation. That.
Oh, no, not a dog kennel.
I love it.
Let's go.
Woo! Bye, doggies. Oh, so cute. Too funny, just too funny. You like riding on the bicycle?
Oh, yeah.
You!